So the one missing tie rod, because they said that the tie rod and the 2 adjuster sleeves were back ordered from the kit. Well, we got the adjuster sleeves and the tie rod piece that was missing before we got the rest of the kit. Cute.
Nice.
But yeah, that's nice. That's like NOS stuff. Look at that. That is nice shit.
That's some old.
I like it. Old school.
This is for the Imperial?
Yep. It's from Rare Parts.
Nice. All right, well,
Oh, yeah. McQuay Norris. Yeah, that's old school. Look at that. Nice stuff. We just want everything to work right.
Well, they bagged it and made the label for 23.25.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, no, it feels good. Rubber feels good.
Looks good.
I'm happy. Can't wait till the rest of it comes in. So
I think it might come today.
Ooh. So maybe early next week.
Maybe next week. We got a couple things to do. We got to get Jordan handled first.
Well, that's why I said early next week.
I think Jordan will actually probably work on a little bit this afternoon, too.
Sweet.
We got all kinds of stuff going.
Got stuff everywhere.
We got stuff everywhere. This weekend, it's going to be maybe get the cage in the Kia.
What are we going to do with that thing then?
Pierre,
Can we shove it back in?
he rolls. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll figure it out.
I figured it's better to do it today so I don't have to hire you.
Yes.
On
Yes.
Sunday?
Yes, dear. All right.